Let's go, yeah.
Let's see, welcome to CNT.
When your husband does that, radicals. But this is your fucking started.
No, we've done the video, but why we are
So actually,
no.
what I'm saying, what I'm
CNT.
Berapa?
Welcome to the annual Oscar.
Is that no worry? No worry.
Yes, so we can make it.
They go common from lift.
Oh.
No, no, they consider.
I see.
Oh, don't take all of.
Go watch the car.
Yes. After your excellency, sir, can we have a briefing of all of the projects you went around this afternoon?
Well, you have seen that we went to two of the roads. One that is leading to the Court of Appeal division of Abuja, and then went to Kensua Udeze Road, which is under construction. But the one that's going to Court of Appeal is the one that we're hoping will be part of the inauguration on the president's second year anniversary. And then we were able to go to Mabuchi bus terminal, and there we are in the Udbo bus terminal. We're happy that we're providing this kind of infrastructure. Of course, you will agree with me that the bus terminals is a basic thing for us to, change our transport system. And I commend the contractor for a job well done. We're quite impressed in what we have seen. And we have assured the residents of Abuja that under the leadership of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, we are going to give them a first-class infrastructure, which they deserve. So we're happy what they're seeing, and we believe that we will try as much as we can to keep to the dates we have agreed.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm particular about the Dark Review Court of Appeal. With what you saw this afternoon, Do you think they will accomplish it, perfect it
I have
less
said,
than 2 years?
the commissioning is not the end of May. Commissioning is to celebrate the anniversary of Mr. President. So it's not that it must be May 29. Well, President can give us date from June, but it's the anniversary. So it does not mean that everything must be done on May 29. No, it's not done. You don't know the date that will be given for that Kibi Road. You don't know the date that will be given for the bus terminal. Everything will not be done on May 29. We have specific date pending the approval and the confidence of Mr. President. So it's not about 2 weeks. People think that everything will be done on May 29. You can't commission the whole project in May 29. We have to take a date. I said it will take us 2 weeks of commissioning. So that's what I said. Thank you.
Minister, sir, there's this level of indiscriminate pick and drop in the city, so that sometimes leads to crime. How will this new bus terminals cope that?
What it means that you don't need to stop the road. You have to go to the bus terminal, and then we will know the drivers, we will know the vehicle you have boarded. That, of course, will limit these, what do you call it? What do you call it? One child. So that's the essence of building this terminal, and also to clean up the city. So you don't have all on the road buses, becoming motor parks. So that's what we're doing.
Okay, final one from Ed.
Honorable Minister, I'd like to ask you. I mean, the last time you went to Mabuchi, you raised observations about the finishing. So I don't know. You've returned there. Was there an improvement?
Very much, and that is why I said I commend the contractor. When we went there last time, you saw that I shouted on them that I'm not happy with the finishing. But for what there's a lot of improvement, and you see the contractor have said they've not done the final painting. All they wanted me to come and look at it and have my own view. So at the end of the day, they will now put it to consideration and now know how to finish. But I think we were happy with what we have seen.
In terms of the funding, how have you been managing, meeting up with all of these projects at the same time, with limited resources?
Well, it's a matter of prudent spending, and then try to prioritize what you intend to do. That's why we've always said that we just don't go and award contracts for the sake of awarding contracts. We award contracts based on the resources we have. With the little taxes we are collecting and the support Mr. President has given, we're able to prioritize our spending.
Thank you.
Last.
Look, we are allowed. What's going on?